Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide pop-up on Visual Builder in Divi theme. We are using Popup Maker plugin to show pop-up on our page or website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Visual Builder. Now you see pop-up. So this is pop-up we are using. Now you see Popup Maker. So we are going to disable on Visual Builder. So we are going to add code. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. And then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see Divi builder is enabled, pop-up maker is disabled. So by using this code we are going to disable pop-up on Divi builder, but on front end our pop-up will show. Now scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So when you working on page you will enable this code, and after changes done on page then you will disable this code and then click on update. Now you see snippet created and saved. Go to Visual Builder. Now you see refresh the page. Now you don't see any pop-up, you only see some message. Now you see here back to code. If you want you can hide this message. Back to Visual Builder. So this is our page. Now copy this page. Now open it. Now add link and then press enter. Now you see pop-up maker plugin. So pop-up only hide on Visual Builder while we work on page, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.